Okay, so what we're working with today is section 11.3, and these are the vocabulary words for 11.3 geometry, area of polygons. And so we have some different shapes. And so the first one we have is a kite. And the area of a kite is diagonal 1, so one of the diagonals times the other diagonals divided by 2. It's also just 1/2 diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Order of the diagonals doesn't matter, you just multiply them and you take half of it. The next one is area of a rhombus. And a rhombus actually has the same equation as a kite. So it's 1/2 of diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. So kite and rhombus have the same formula. Okay? All right, the next one is the center of a regular polygon. So remember, regular means that it's perfect, meaning it has equal angles and equal sides. And so the center is right here in the center of it, and a circle could be outside of it. A circle circumscribes it. Okay, so the center of the polygon is there. All right, the radius of a regular polygon goes from the center to one of the vertexes. Okay, and this is going to be important for when we are finding some formulas. So you have to understand where the center is and where the radius is. Oops. The apothem, this is a weird word, but the apothem, it's this line that goes from the center to the side, and it's perpendicular. Okay, so it goes from the center to the side of a polygon. One thing we will talk eventually, but it bisects that side. So if that side is 10, then the top is 5 and the bottom is 5. And then the central angle of a regular polygon. So the central angle is right here in the center, and it encompasses a whole side. So that's a central angle. So this is a hexagon, so it has 6 central angles. Octagon would have 8 central angles. The area of a regular polygon takes all that into account. And the formula for this is 1/2 the apothem, which is that perpendicular line that goes from the center to a side, times the perimeter of a polygon. And it's a little tricky, and there's a lot of different ways you have to find the apothem, but we'll practice them. But just it's 1/2 lowercase a, which is apothem, times the perimeter.